Hello, welcome to my video. You all know quick links Webpart is basically a web part to hold bunch of URLs or links either to a file, external websites, SharePoint library, or even a SharePoint page. You can link it to anything. So very quickly, let's go to a SharePoint page. Let's create, edit it, and let's add a quick link Webpart to see how it looks like. Quick links, add here, add a link. Let's put BBC. Sorry, bbc.co.uk. Let's add another link. .cnn.com. Okay, we got two links. Let's publish it. Right, so this is how it looks like. Okay, let's open the same page as a different user. This is the page. I just need to refresh it, and there you go. So this is how it works. You can link it to any external links or to any link basically. Okay, so even as a different user, you still see both the links. So there is no way you can restrict a particular link visible only to certain users. Well, not anymore. Starting February 2021, Microsoft released an update to have target audience linking to quick links web part. So by using target audiencing, you can promote links to specific groups of people. This is useful when you want to present information that is specially relevant to a particular group of people. Yeah, for example, you can target links to a specific project information to team members or stakeholders for the project. To use target audience, you must first enable the target audienting in the web part property pane, and then you edit the quick links to a specific audience. So let's see how. Edit the page. So go to your quick links web part, click on edit, and you need to toggle this enable target audiencing button. So click on that. Okay, now it's been enabled. Then go to the specific link. For example, let's go to BBC. Click on that specific individual link, and you will open the property for that particular link. Yeah. Then you go to the filter. Under the filter, you have audience to target for. So let's say, so this link BBC is specific only for the group of people under the Office 365 group called Abul's Hub members. Okay, and clicking that and save and republish it. All right. Okay, so this link, only this particular link is being set to a particular audience. Okay, so let's go back to another user who don't belong to that particular group which we added. If we refresh the page, so now you can see only one link. So it's been target audiencing applying for that purpose. So this user has been excluded, so he cannot see that link. So yeah, it's very simple. It's been already introduced to the navigation a while ago, and now Microsoft has extended to quick links Webpart as well. So this is it. So thanks for watching this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.